Russia is crumbling day by day. The damage is rising beyond control. And Ukraine's FPV drones are raining down like fire from the sky. Don't blink. This is war in real time. Subscribe to stay updated on the fiercest front lines. May 29th, 2025. In the strategic southern front near Zaporizhzhia, a unit from Ukraine's 128th Mountain Assault Brigade, known as the Sons of Kor, carried out another shocking strike. In the footage, a Russian soldier panics at the sound of a diving FPV drone. He tries to flee, but only manages to shut his eyes, perhaps for the last time. There is no alternate camera angle, but the terror etched on his face in the final freeze frame has been compared by viewers to the Joker from Batman 1989, with the quote, "If you gotta go, go with a smile." May 29th, 2025. A group of Ukrainian soldiers are traveling along the front lines in a civilian Mitsubishi pickup truck. With a lack of armored vehicles, they are forced to improvise with civilian cars, faster, cheaper, but less protected. Suddenly, a Russian FPV drone appears overhead. Anticipating the attack, the soldiers quickly jump out and take cover. Seconds later, the drone strikes the truck, but surprisingly, the vehicle remains mostly intact. Why? Because it was equipped with advanced jamming devices on its roof. The drone, confused by the interference, misses its target and crashes into a fence. The troops survive and quickly relocate, remaining alert for a second wave. May 25th, 2025. In the dense woodlands of Serebryansky Forest, a Ukrainian unit encounters another deadly threat. Fiber optic guided FPV drones deployed by the Russian army. With no heavy anti-air defenses, they resort to personal weapons. One soldier crouches low, scanning the tree line, his breath steadying. He trades his rifle for a double-barrel hunting shotgun, a relic of a different era, now repurposed for survival. The drone zips between trees, hunting him. The first shot misses, but the second? Boom! Direct hit. The drone bursts into shrapnel, a cheap, outdated weapon destroying modern tech. That's battlefield innovation born from necessity. May 30th, 2025. A shocking turn. A video surfaces of a Russian soldier attempting to ride a donkey to transport equipment. The poor animal struggles under the weight, eventually collapsing near a wall, unable to go further. The internet explodes with outrage, condemning the scene as both cruel and absurd.
Не души его. Да встань ты рядом с ним, иди. Чё ты на него сел-то?
May 30th, 2025. The 414th Attack Drone Brigade, known as Magyar's Birds, is once again on the hunt. Their target, Russian military vehicles on the move. During the operation, they locate a Russian BM-21 Grad system. It's fully loaded with rockets and appears to be preparing for an imminent rocket barrage on Ukrainian positions. It can carry up to 40 rockets, each typically armed with a 20-kilogram warhead. That's a combined explosive potential of around 800 kilograms. The FPV drone launches its attack. Within seconds, it strikes the target. And then, a monstrous explosion. Shrapnel from the destroyed vehicle flies in all directions, scattering dozens of meters away. The shockwave is enormous. The vehicle is completely obliterated, a clear victory for Ukrainian forces. A distant camera captures the moment from a safer vantage point. In the footage, we see a single Russian soldier running from the blast zone. We don't get a follow-up shot. His fate is left unknown, but based on available data, we can estimate the effects. The vehicle in question, the BM-21 Grad, is 7.35 meters long. In the video, some debris is seen landing approximately 5 vehicle lengths away, roughly 35 meters. Now, purely based on the explosive force alone, not accounting for flying shrapnel, an 800-kilogram blast at a distance of 35 meters falls within the injury distance, a range where serious hearing damage is likely, and potentially internal injuries as well. May 26, 2025. A Russian Thor air defense system attempts to escape a Ukrainian heavy FPV drone armed with a bomb. The drone chases relentlessly and eventually detonates near the system. While it doesn't appear to destroy the target entirely, the pressure is mounting. Even Russia's top tech is being hunted like prey. Earlier in May, in Toretsk, drones from the 28th Mechanized Brigade of Ukraine, especially the elite unit Rubak 28, unleashed a devastating fiber optic drone strike. A Russian tank, APC, truck, and ammo depot inside an aircraft hangar were all obliterated in a single strike. What left many puzzled was the complete lack of guards in those hangars. Why weren't they protected? Even a soldier with an AK-47 might have had a chance to stop a slow-approaching drone. But there was no resistance. This isn't a documentary. This is reality. These aren't cinematic war scenes. They're raw clips from a war still raging. Ukraine's resilience, Russia's desperation, and the relentless evolution of drone warfare are unfolding before our eyes. If you found this insightful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with others who want the truth. Uncensored, unfiltered, unrelenting. Stay safe, stay informed.